The future of work is automated. Welcome to Aivora.
In 2024, over 80,000 new LLM apps hit the market. Most of them required months of coding. But here's the thing, a silent revolution is happening right now. And it changes everything about who can build AI. But here's the thing, nobody tells you that you don't need to write a single line of Python to build AI agents or RAG systems. These platforms are hidden in plain sight. And they're completely open source. Which means if you've ever wanted to build a custom chatbot that talks to your documents, or an AI that books flights, you can do it this weekend. Let me show you the 10 open source platforms that make this possible. Number 1, LangFlow. It's the visual front end for LangChain. You drag nodes, retrieval, memory, prompts, and connect them. Here's what I found, it turns hours of debugging into 10 minutes of drawing. Number 2, Flowise. It's like LangFlow's cousin, but with a sharper focus on chatbots and RAG. You can embed a knowledge base from a PDF in under 5 minutes. The secret? It abstracts all the vector database complexity. Number 3, Dify. This one is a hidden gem from China. It supports multiple LLMs, lets you build AI workflows, and even has built-in logging. The truth is, Dify does what many paid platforms do, for free. Number 4, AutoGPT. You've heard the hype. But what they don't want you to know is that the new web interface lets you run autonomous agents with zero code. Give it a goal, it breaks it down and executes. Number 5, Superagent. This is for advanced users who want to chain multiple AI agents together. It's like Zapier for LLMs. You connect tools, APIs, and databases without touching a terminal. Here's what I love, the agent memory feature. Number 6, you've seen OpenAI's custom GPTs. But the open source world has GPT-4all, a platform that runs LLMs locally on your machine. No internet needed. No API costs. Just drag, drop, and chat with your local data. Number 7, text generation WebUI. If you want to run models like Llama or Mistral, this is the most popular open source interface. It's a one-click install. Drop a like if this surprises you, most people think running LLMs locally is hard. Number 8, Rivet. From the makers of OpenAI's ChatGPT, this is a debug-first visual IDE for LLM chains. You can pause a flow, inspect state, and fix errors. The secret weapon for building reliable agents without coding. Number 9, Khoj. This is for building a personal RAG system. You can index all your notes, emails, and PDFs. Then ask questions. The best part? It's open source and you can self-host it. Drop a like if you're tired of uploading files to closed platforms. Number 10, Stack AI. Despite the name, it's the most enterprise-ready on this list. It offers connectors to Salesforce, Notion, and Slack. And it's open source. You can build a customer support agent that actually answers from internal docs. Here's what I found, all 10 platforms have one thing in common, they make RAG easy. RAG is the secret sauce for making LLMs accurate. You don't need to understand vectors or embeddings. The platform handles it. But building an AI agent is more than just RAG. You need tool calling, memory, and planning loops. Flowise and Dify now include all of that visually. I tested both with a flight booking task, neither required a single code file. So why open source? Because you own your data. You're not locked into a proprietary API. These platforms have millions of GitHub stars combined. The community is huge. And best of all, they're free. I have seen startups replace entire SaaS subscriptions by self-hosting these tools. One company I know saved $3,000 a month by switching to Dify. The thing about open source? It scales with you. No surprise pricing. Look, the no-code AI space is moving faster than most people realize. Every month, new features appear. If you're building LLM apps, hit subscribe. I break down the latest open source tools every week. Next up, I will compare these platforms head to head. LangFlow versus Flowise versus Dify. Which one should you pick for your project? We'll look at performance, ease of use, and community support. Subscribe so you don't miss it. So here's the takeaway. You no longer need a CS degree to build AI agents. These 10 open source platforms are your new superpower. Go build something. And I'll see you in the next video with a deep dive comparison.